Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing a quick unboxing on this 3-piece ratchet set from Kobalt. This was from Lowe's. Item number is 5140023, and these are the Pro 90 tooth ratchets. It includes the 1/4 inch, 3/8 and 1/2 inch drives. This was on clearance for $13. So I thought it was a fantastic price, so I bought one, and then I also bought 2 more that I gave as gifts to my colleagues at work, so they were super happy about that. But $13 is a fantastic price. This is a look on the back here. It does tell you that it has a lifetime warranty. Oh, I'm sorry, my phone. Okay. It includes 3 90 tooth quick release ratchets. It says 90 tooth gear, delivers a 4-degree precision swing, sorry, that's just a different language. Improved precision in tight spaces, lifetime warranty, and there is nothing really much to it. These are the components inside, so let's go ahead and open this. And they do come with their own sort of a tray, plastic tray here, which is nice, so I'll just keep them in that tray, nice and neat. Okay, let's see, and there's one more here. There's one more there, and that should do it. So this goes to recycle. Yeah, the tray is, a flimsy tray, but we'll use it until it fails, then it's fine too. Alright, so there are the ratchets. Well, I can tell already it's not a friendly tray, so you can pick this one up easily. Very smooth operation for the 1/4 inch. This 3/8. Now I got these on clearance, of course, but if I was paying like $25 a piece, or maybe more, how much ever they sell them for, I think they are kind of short. Oh yeah, that is very positive feedback. You put a socket in there, and it has this quick release thingy. You see that? You turn it. Very nice. That's the 1/2 inch. This is the 3/8. The little lever here, or lever, is different than these two. So these two have the exact same lever design. This one's lever is different. Just worth noting. Also, quick release mechanism right there. Very nice. It has the item number then, in case you need to have a warranty service or something, they can give you a replacement. It does say on here hassle-free lifetime guarantee, so I haven't tried it. Alright, so that is it, guys. Just a quick unboxing on these ratchets. Yep. Alright, that is it. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you liked it. If you have not signed up or subscribed to the channel, please do so for more videos like this one. Easy, simple, and quick. Thank you. Bye-bye.